This means without any water, only from the rain and from the humidity that sits in the area. Usually we process around 1,000 tons of grapes here. Around 900 tons is going to be the wine. 100, 150 we throw it with the body of the plants and things that we don't use. The first thing that we do, we put it in the hopper. The hopper is the machine which is transport the grape inside to another one with the name crush machine. So crush the grape, separate the body, and give us the first juice with the skin. After that, we send it inside for a press machine. Follow.
It's much better in here. You can smell it when I taste it.
Do you